Was there a dead end? You took the wrong turn. What's happening there? Mensen het al klaar, ons komen nog aan. We are about to start, so this is wrong turn choices. The choice you make will determine where you end up. Right, so guys, we are on our way. Let's see how far we get. Oh, there's already people there. Okay, let's see how much I can get covered. If you would like to, maybe after the hike, have like a picnic or something, then you can actually go that way, like that way. Oh yes, my finger's correct. You can go past there in that pathway, and then you'll find a picnic area there. Seems chilled. And that should be the picnic area. Let's see, there are some benches there in the middle somewhere. Shame, but it is like almost winter time, guys, so that's why the plant looks the way that they do. Not as green as expected, but anyway, it's not springtime yet. But in spring, it's definitely beautiful. We're going via the Hadira Kiperso. Okay, again another one where you decide which turn you take. Lamiel and Bokkie are so excited. Was there a dead end? You took the wrong turn. What's happening there? A river?
Yeah, it seems like this part is wrong.
Oh, but it used to be a path, huh? Because I see they up there. Oh, man. Yeah, but there's a lot of people that came today, huh? Oops, now I'm almost falling here. Look where Bokkie's taking us, guys. Into broken parts. Something's not right here. Woo!
They want to come over.
So you guys gonna watch you do it?
Hi, but we can. But we can cross on the rocks, darling. On the rocks. You can walk on the rocks. You can step on the rocks. It will help. Change of plans, guys. We did not go that way because it was not possible to cross the river. That tiny stream. And especially with Lamiel. So yeah, we have changed routes. But my question is, those people, how are they walking there? How did they get there? Are you sure there's no way to jump over here, darling? Okay, let's try another route. You see, they didn't mark the routes properly. So you don't really know, you're just going by faith everywhere. Hi guys, welcome to the Cupido clan channel. Sorry, we didn't even do an intro, but anyway, today we are hiking. I'm Snowflake, that's Lamiel, the tiny one, and that is Bokkie, and we decided to go on a hike today. So yeah, and we're taking you with us, so do join the journey. Hopefully we'll get nice views and scenery and some wildlife, who knows. Apparently there are zebras here, so let's see. Mamio, you fine? You're hiking? Okay. He's hiking. Yay. Let's go. Do you even see me, y'all? Do y'all even see me, y'all? Okay, so now we need to decide again. Is it that way or that way? Bokkie chooses that way. And I can hear a river that's flowing. Darling, no. Dangerous. Go, Lamio! Woo! Well done. Good job, Sienna. Are you sure this is hay? No, Kippy. Yeah, there's a rope involved. Whoa, how are we gonna cross here, guys? Adventure. Anyway, the sound of the river, it's flowing. I don't know what to do. For yellow Fathan. Guys, Bokkie is doing stuff. Guys, he's doing stuff with my son. Can he make it? Aye. Whoa, Sienna. Wow, you made it. Yeah, and now for Snowflake. Let's see if I can make it. Woo. Okay.
Come.
Wow! Walk properly now. Sienna. There we go. Walk. Those two are going ahead while I'm trying to get these nice scenery. Look at them. So probably gonna go there by that mall shopping center place to get some junk food after this hike. Hallelujah. Be careful, Sierra. Isn't in front of us? Hello, Pretoria. Beautiful. Hello guys, do you see me? Hey. Ons kom van ver en ons gaan nog verder daar die kant toe. We come from far. Don't run. I cannot believe I walked that far. It's bad. Well, it's good, but bad. You see? And we still have Lamio. Look at those brave guys there crossing the river by foot. It's powerful. And we are done, guys. We have made it. But Lamio seems like he still have a whole lot of energy. So yeah, we made it. What you say, Sienna?
Done.
What's done? Going over the bridge and going over where? You done hiking? So thank you for watching, guys. Hi, Bo. Why are you so shy? He's shy on camera. So see you in the next video. Hi. And bye-bye, Faerie Glen hiking trail. See you. I don't know when. That's where we came from, guys. We were there. Lamio. Nice foodies. Okay, unwinding after a hike. These unhealthy people, look at them. They were hiking just now. Now they KFC.